Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is June 10th, 2025, and I'm here with the latest update on Vinco Ventures, ticker symbol BBIG. Let's get right into the numbers. As of today, BBIG is trading at just $0.0002 per share. Yes, you heard that right, 2/10,000ths of a dollar. The stock has been hovering at this level for some time now, reflecting a dramatic decline from its previous highs. Looking at the bigger picture, BBIG has been on a steady downtrend for several years. Over the past year, the stock has continued to lose value, and current forecasts suggest that this downward trend may continue. Some projections even indicate that BBIG could see a further decline over the next year. If you're considering BBIG for your portfolio, it's important to note that the outlook remains very cautious. The company's market cap is extremely low, and trading activity has been minimal. For most investors, BBIG is seen as a highly speculative play, and many analysts do not recommend adding it to new portfolios at this time. To sum up, Vinco Ventures, or BBIG, is trading at $0.0002 today, with a continued downward trend and a challenging outlook ahead. If you're watching this stock, keep a close eye on any news or developments, but remember to approach with caution. That's your quick update on BBIG for June 10th, 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real-time stock updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.